Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. So y'all, it's been like literally 2 weeks, probably like 2 weeks since I posted on here. And girl, I just needed a break. I needed a long break because your girl has been stressed. So if y'all haven't watched all of my Bossman's videos, make sure you guys go catch up on those so y'all can see what was going on and all of that. I was just really busy, and then I got the flu, I got sick. So your girl, I'm still kind of sick, but yeah, so basically I was really sick last week. Went to Dollar Tree. So I was like, you know what, let me start incorporating different things on my channel because I want to do things that I enjoy doing. Like, I don't want to be pressured into just doing like entrepreneurship things, but since we all love Dollar Tree, I don't think this will be a problem. So I went to Dollar Tree. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Dollar Tree. And I just picked up a few things. So I got paint, ribbon, some scrapers, some twine, glitter, and then I have this Valentine's Day decor like frame. It's like a, I don't know what you want to call this. I don't know. It's just like a wood piece, so you can hang it up. And then I have some paint. I have some paint brushes right here, and then yeah. So today I want to actually turn this into like a wooden sign that's like not Valentine's Day related. So what I'm going to do is remove this heart and then like scrape it off or whatever, and then paint it. I think I'm gonna paint it gray, and then I don't know what I'm gonna put on it. I'm also gonna be using my Cricut machine. So if you guys don't know what a Cricut is, it's a cutting machine. So I have vinyl, and I'm gonna be cutting, I don't even know what words I'm gonna use yet. I was thinking home sweet home because I want it to be like a door hanger. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's called a door hanger. Because I have my wreath up there, but y'all know it ain't Christmas no more. So I want to still have something on the door because I actually like how it looks. So I was like, let me put one of those on there. And they have these Valentine's Day ones at Dollar Tree. So you can buy it like this, and it's really cute for $1. But I want mine to be like all year round. So I don't know what I'm going to put on there yet. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If you guys are interested in seeing me turn this Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor into like a cute home decor item, then keep on watching this video. I'm first going to start off by removing this heart. I'm going to take one of these mini scrapers and I'm just going to remove this. This is my first time using one of these, so yeah, I don't really know how to use it, but I'm going to see, can I pull it off first? I don't think I can, so I'm going to try to use this. The heart is now gone. If you guys have any suggestions on how to get the glue off, like if you guys make these and you guys know how to get the glue off more easier, let me know down below, because girl, that was a struggle. And I don't have sandpaper, or I had this like block thingy, but I ended up putting it back because I was like, I'll just use something at home. But yeah, it was a kind of a struggle to get it off, but yeah, it's off. And I'm actually going to place the heart right back right there, so I guess it really didn't matter. But now I'm going to start painting. So like I said, I got this paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of white and a little bit of black because I'm trying to get a gray color, and they didn't have a lot of colors. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do gray, which honestly I already wanted to do gray, so I was like, that's cool. But I had like a blind moment because I was looking for the color gray, and then I was like, oh, they don't have gray. Then I was like, Kenisha, you can just use white and black. So yeah, that was kind of, you know. Okay, so it's coming up way darker than what it is in real life, but it's like a light gray. Well, no, it's like a charcoal gray. And I had to flip it over and use it back because the front kept like peeling. So if y'all use this, I don't know if it was the paint that I used. This is the paint that I used from Dollar Tree or what, but it was just giving me too many problems, and it's been literally like 2.5 hours. So I ended up just flipping it over, using the back, and then the back dried in like 2 minutes. So I would suggest using the back for sure. But now I am using my Cricut. I'm going to use this vinyl that I got. It is the Paper Studio permanent vinyl, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to print out the words now. I want to see that and keep on watching. Okay, so I just got done cutting out the text that I want on my Cricut. If you guys don't have a Cricut machine, all you have to do is use like a Sharpie marker or like a paint marker or a stencil and paint. There's many different ways to do it, but I have a Cricut and I want to start using it more. Okay, so I have the letters, and I just started using vinyl like last week, so I am not a professional, but I'm just gonna see where I want to place everything. I think this is right. Can you guys guess what I am going to have it say? I think I'm gonna put it. I'm not gonna like press it down all the way yet, just in case I need to like change one little thing. So if y'all see it sticking out, that's why. But I did cut I like to cut my vinyl on the Cricut machine through twice, so I don't have a problem getting it out or whatever. I have this like little tool from Cricut. You don't have to use this though, but might as well use it if you have it. So I'm just gonna press it down like this. I think I want the heart right here. I'm gonna scoot it up just a tad, just to be on the safe side. So I need to make sure that this is really straight, because it's going to be going down in a line. I want to add some of this ribbon, and I don't know where I want to add it at yet, so let's see. Where do y'all think I want to add this? And I also have this glitter glue. I want to use it silver. I want to tie a small bow like down here, but I am horrible at bows. Okay, so I think I just want to make like some distress with glitter. Here is my finished look. It has to finish drying right here. As you guys can see, the glitter is kind of still drying. It's still wet looking. But here's the before. So as you guys know from the video, when I showed you guys this board, I did have a white one, but here's the red version. So this is kind of like the before and after, except I don't have these lines. I told you guys that I had to flip it over and use the back side because it was just way easier. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have done this project, let me know down in the comments or link your video or whatever. And if you guys do this and follow my video, make sure you guys tag me because I want to see it, or just send it to me or whatever. So yeah, I can't wait till it finishes drying, and then I'll upload some pictures and show you guys what it looks like after it's done drying and everything. And if I decide to add anything else to it, I will show you guys in a picture or whatever. But yeah, like I said, everything was purchased from Dollar Tree. If you guys don't have a Cricut, you can use regular stickers from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree, or you could use paint or a marker or whatever you want to do to make the text or whatever. But yeah, I really had fun doing this. So y'all gonna be seeing a whole bunch of do-it-yourself Dollar Tree projects just for your house or like home decor. If y'all are into that, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and you are keeping up with all of my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, give your girl a like, and also check out my website, katykatebeauty.com. I have to update my website, like I said, girl. This is literally the first thing I've done productive in like so long, because I was sick and I was just like stressed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like the outcome, make sure you guys give this video a like.